Hello. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, you two babies. Today, actually, we are going to do the MPPSC, the Assistant Professor Exams Paper 1 exam analysis. So we'll be discussing that question paper. Yes, guys, all those who have written the MPPSC exam, please welcome. And those who have, all those to our YouTube babies, we have the MPPSC paper 1 analysis too. Like you will be having some general knowledge questions. So you can just listen, and also those who are preparing for other PSC exams also will be useful. So we'll be starting the session soon. You two babies, welcome. Hello, hi everyone. Yes, good evening. Good evening. Today I thought of doing the MPPSC paper 1 analysis. Okay, so question paper analysis, like as it is like as you have a general paper for the MPPSC. So it's actually like we had the course for MPPSC assistant professor for those who attempted the English exam. So they had the paper 1. So yes, welcome everyone. Welcome. Hello, hi. I can see the live chat. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. I think you are eagerly waiting for the net practice, right? So one by one, just can I share the analysis part? I'm sharing my PDF. That means the general studies paper, what like the questions I have. So one by one, I will discuss now. So fine, I can see the chat here also in the right chat. Or those who know the answer, you can also just answer. Okay. So those who have written MPPSC can just take the answers, or like if you want, if you have some doubt, you can clear the queries. And if there is some sort of confusions in the questions, you can raise the query, and like a review challenge can be given for the answer key challenge also. So here, uh, first question: in which year was the National Commission for Minorities Act established? It is the all correct option will be A. 1922 will be the correct option. Okay. Going to the next question: State Information Commission in Madhya Pradesh has been constituted as per section dash of the Right to Information Act 2005. So RTI, Right to Information Act 2005. So it is the answer will be C here, 15. 15. Okay. So in August 1942, when the British government began arresting the members of Prajamandal, which freedom fighter initiated the Hanuman Satyagraha in the Sarafa Bazaar of Indore. Okay, it's like several options are given. It's a it's maybe quite a confusing one. The answer goes with D. Purushottam Vijay. It's the answer. Okay, so according to Madhya Pradesh Economic Survey 2024-25. What was the approximate average per capita milk availability in Madhya Pradesh in the financial year 2023-24? A bit confusing question, but it's actually really a current affairs question because it's in 2023-24 financial year. The answer is 652 gram per day. D will be the correct answer. 652 gram per day is the correct answer. And according to the 2011 census, the districts with the highest percentage of literacy in Madhya Pradesh are in descending order. So you should have the descending order of the literacy in Madhya Pradesh. So which you think that it will be in the descending order. So it is actually, the answer is C. It is Jabalpur, Indore, and Bhopal. Okay, that is 5C. And when did the Battle of Lalsot take place between Mahathir India and Jaipur's King Madho Singh? It is AD 1786, 1787, 1788, 1789. So the correct answer goes with 1787. That is B. That is the answer, 1787. Okay. So going to the next set of questions. So already like we have the Hindi part. Okay. Which tribal warrior was sentenced to death by the British government for writing poetry? Oh, so the answer. We have the option Shankar, Tandya Bhil, Kajia Nayak, and Badalbo. It's Shankar is the right answer. We'll have A as the right answer. So next one, which one of the following is not a project of e-governance in state of Madhya Pradesh? It's Gyandod, Log Mitra, E-Chalan, E-Uparjan. So when you have the question, when you read the option itself, we can go with the answer. The answer is Log Mitra. The answer is Log Mitra. Okay. Which tribal people call themselves the younger brothers of Gonds? So, like with the tribal population and all, when I was taking the class on paper one, Gond tribe were also discussed in the MPPSC part. So, like we had a course on MPPSC, and then we dealt with the tribal group and all. We learned about the tribal groups and all. So, like Gonds, younger brothers of Gonds, it's actually Bharia. Bharia is the one, and so 90 will be the correct option. And numerous microlithic tools have been collected from Manobans Tikri. In which district of Madhya Pradesh is Manobans Tikri located? It's the Raisin Gwalior Bhopal. When I was teaching the MPPSC paper one, a lot of new names was there. Like I was asking the students, was my pronunciation correct? Because I'm not from the Madhya Pradesh, but they are really supporting me. Yeah, the answer is Bhopal. Oh, the answer is Bhopal. Okay, it's in Bhopal. So the next question. A network of devices that have an embedded hardware and software to communicate, connect, and exchange data with other device on the same network is known as. It's obviously it is what, like you can, like all those net people also can take this question to the ICT part, right? You can have this question: a network of devices that have an embedded hardware and software to communicate with other devices on the same network is known as, that is Internet of Things. 11 answer is 11A, Internet of Things. And which Chandela king built the Chadurbuj temple in Khajuraho? Okay, Khajuraho temples were also discussed, like the classes and all. Khajuraho temples are very famous in Madhya Pradesh. And do you know which Chandela king built the Chadurbuj temple in Khajuraho? Again, I'm saying the answer right, guys. Yes. Yeah, I can see the answer. Shabana, you can expect this like ICT part of questions for the next exam, like not with the part of Madhya Pradesh you can expect. But if you're writing any exams in Madhya Pradesh or any other exams near like in Madhya Pradesh, you can score. You can get these questions, but there are some GK questions also, so you can listen to this. So it's Yashovarman. Okay, it's Yashovarman is the correct answer. 12B will be the correct option. Who established the state? There is a state. There's a district called the, and like it was formerly the state. It is called as the state. It is Udaji Rao Power, Hemendra Rao Power, Yashwant Rao Power, and Prathameshwar Rao Power. So answer 13. The answer will be A. It is Udaji Rao Power is the answer. Power is the answer. That is who established the state. What is Lamshana word prevalent in tribal society? Is it a type of dance? Is it a type of marriage? Is it a type of portrait? Is it a tribal festival? So when we discuss about the tribes and all, it's very important that we discuss about their dance, marriage, or portrait. Like like it's very famous. You have the Pitwara paintings and all. So here the 14, the answer will be B. It's a type of marriage. It's a type of a marriage of Lamshana. It's a type of a marriage. So this is all Hindi part of questions. Who was the first election commissioner of Madhya Pradesh? The very basic GK question that you have. Like if you have learned the general knowledge part, you can answer this question. The first election commissioner of Madhya Pradesh is Sri N.B. Lohani. Okay, Sri N.B. Lohani is the correct answer. Yes. The name of Sanskrit text written by the famous Gond king Sangrangsha. Sangrangsha, the famous Sanskrit written by the famous Gond king Sangrangsha is Ras Ratnamala. It's Ras Ratnamala. It's the 16th one. You'll have B as the options. Ras Ratnamala. In which year did the government of India formally propose the establishment of central province? Okay. So we can have a doubt where it is 1858 or 1861. There are different options, like the confusing one. But I will go with the option D, that is 1861, maybe the most apt option. Like when you search the Google or what, like you'll have different options like 58 and 61 like that. But I think the most apt option or the establishment date year will be 1861, that I can say with. Okay, if you have more any queries, you can comment on the comment section, or also you can challenge on the answer key part. So there's the next one. That's a GK part. India men's team defeated which country to which bronze medal in Paris Olympics 2024 in hockey? So obviously you will be knowing the answer. Those who are very fond of sports and all, you can tell the answer. The answer is Spain. The answer is Spain. Yes. The major site of Chalcolithic culture of Malwa is Navadatoli, who has done the excavation of Navadatoli. So it's Mortimer Wheeler, H.D. Sankalia, Alexander Cunningham, John Marshall. So Alexander Cunningham, like we'll have a like when regarding with the universities, when we study higher education and all, like we study the excavation of the universities. Alexander Cunningham is a famous archaeologist. So here the answer is going with 19B. This H.D. Sankalia will be the answer. H.D. Sankalia will be the answer. FPGA are integrated circuits that are widely used to deploy artificial intelligence. What is the full form of FPGA? So those who are writing net exam or like any state level eligibility test exams, it's very important that you have artificial intelligence, that you can include this question in the like information and communication technology part. Clear, because it's AI, it's very prevalent now. FPGA, it means it's field programmable gate arrays. The 20A is the right answer. Field programmable gate arrays. Forward programmable graphical development, no. Forward program group arrangement is no. Faster program gesture analytics, no. The answer is field programmable gate arrays is the correct answer. That is what you call as FPGA. FPGA. Okay, please remember this is a very important one. Not only for the MPPSC people, but any exam that, for example, if you write the NET exam or any other state eligibility test exams, it's very important that you will have questions from the artificial intelligence, like in the topic of ICT that you can have. Which is the most fawn type forest in Madhya Pradesh? Is it tropical dry deciduous, tropical moist deciduous, or thorny and subhumid hilly? The correct answer goes with tropical dry deciduous forest Madhya Pradesh have. Tropical dry deciduous forest Madhya Pradesh have. Again, a question regarding with the operating system. That means from the ICT part that you can get the question. Unix is an operating system with the following type of user interface. Unix. So it's actually a command-based interface. 22C. It's a command-based interface. It's an operating system. It is with the following type. It's a user interface. It's a command-based interface. Okay, 22. We have C as the answer. Then coming to the 23rd one, the provision relating to the panchayats were added to the Indian Constitution by which of the amendment or through which of the amendments? Okay, so this part is this 23rd question is very important. Why? Because this Indian Constitution is very important, where all you have, like for net exams and all, you will have a Indian Constitution, because you should study the governance, you should study the administration. There are topics regarding with the higher education. They can like NTA can ask questions regarding with that. So the provision that is relating to the that means the amendment that is done where the panchayats were added to the Indian Constitution was 73rd Amendment. That is A. 73rd Amendment. It is 73rd Amendment. Okay, it's not 74th. It is 73rd Amendment. How many Rajya Sabha seats are there in Madhya Pradesh? It's a very general question to Madhya Pradesh. Like people, those who know about Madhya Pradesh, like those who wrote MPPSC exam, definitely should know this. There are 11 seats, 11 Rajya Sabha seats from Madhya Pradesh. The answer is B. According to Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2023-24, what progress has Madhya Pradesh made in reducing multi-dimensional poverty? Okay, what progress have Madhya Pradesh made? So Niti Aayog, you will be very familiar with Niti Aayog. What is Niti Aayog? It's advisory body to the government. It is National Institute for Transforming India. Replace the planning commission, 5-year planning commission and all. So you'll be knowing that. So according to the Niti Aayog, what is the progress made by Madhya Pradesh? So the answer is like the 1.36 crore people lifted out of property will be the correct answer. Sheetalpani, Gidari, Daurli, and Jata mines in Madhya Pradesh are related to which mineral? Okay, so whenever you if you know the location of the mines, you will be very familiar. Like you can answer this question: is it iron ore, or is it manganese, or is it rock phosphate, or is it copper? So obviously the answer will go with D, that is copper. So Sheetalpani, Githari, Daurli, and Jatha mines in Madhya Pradesh are related to copper. It's related to copper. Under which section is the provision for establishment of special court under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989? Okay, so this very important question regarding with the MPPSC part. as because like that is only one state where you have the like more population of SC and ST, that means scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. So obviously we should study about all those acts and also 27, the answer will be section 14. Section 14, okay. And which part of the Madhya Pradesh has the high variability of rainfall? Like whenever when I was doing the marathon session of the MPPSC, we discussed about the rainfall, like lowest rainfall, highest rainfall, and like which part we have the highest rainfall. This question, like just I remember, like we discussed about the rainfall and all. Like our students too. I think our students too remember. So it is in the northwest part. It is answer B, 28B, northwest part, high variability of rainfall. So the 29th question, going to the next question. According to my budget 2025-26 of the government of Madhya Pradesh, what economic target does the Madhya Pradesh government aspire to achieve by 2047? So $5 trillion economy, 100% digital economy, $2 trillion economy, no fiscal deficit. So here it is actually the like by 2047 what to achieve, like my budget 2025-26 was to achieve the $2 trillion economy is the right answer. 29C, $2 trillion economy. Yes. So yes, Angel Johnson, it's actually what we have, the MPPSC question paper analysis. That is why the questions are related with MPPSC. Yes, thank you. 30th one, the Tribal Research and Development Institute in Madhya Pradesh is located in very easy one, like maybe like all of the main things, okay, all of the main institutes in Madhya Pradesh are located in basically in Bhopal, but not everything, but most of them are located in Bhopal. The answer goes with Bhopal. C, Jabua, Balagat, and Mandla. Mandla is a very important district, but Bhopal, the Tribal Research and Development Institute in Madhya Pradesh is in Bhopal. And in which city of Madhya Pradesh was the Changemaker Conclave organized in May 2025? Very recent, like current affair question they asked. May 2025, the exam was in June, and they asked the question from May 2025. It's a very recent current affair. The answer is C, Indore. The answer is C, Indore. Again, which city? That is the Indore city. You will be familiar with Indore city as the cleaner city and all. The traditional post Barua belongs to which tribal community? The traditional post Barua belongs to which tribal community? There is a doubt regarding with the Kamar and Kohl, and I think like when I have read and when I through my investigation, my accurate answer will be Kohl. Kohl tribal community. 32D will go with. Like let us wait for the like what the answer keys from the official part, like that is 32D called. I can give it the answer as 32D. So the 33rd question, which district is the birthplace of Dalan Shah, the tribal hero of the state, in the first war of independence of 1857, located at present, where it is presently located? Is it in Mandla or Chindwara or Narasinghpur or is it in Jabalpur? The answer is Narasinghpur is the answer. Narasinghpur is the answer. Sorry, did I mark it wrong? C will be the correct answer. Okay. So the next one, Pithora painting. Just I told you, Pithora paintings. It's like we discussed in the classes also of Pithora paintings. Is related to which tribal community? I think all my students of MPPSC can answer to this question. That is Bhil group. That is a very large. That is a very most populous. That's a most populous tribe also in the first position, because they are more in population. They're the largest group, Bhil group, Bhil. So like I was pronouncing it as Bill, but my students corrected as Bhil. Okay, because I was very new to this like tribal community. So Pithora paintings, it's Bhil is the answer. In January 2025, who has been appointed as a state election commissioner of Madhya Pradesh? So very recent, like it's a current affair part. The answer is Manoj Srivastava. It's the correct answer. 35B, Manoj Srivastava. Okay, we have confusions like Keshav Srivastava is also there to confuse you, but the correct answer is Manoj Srivastava. Who is a recipient of the Nobel Prize for Literature? It can be a paper 2 questions too, but like as it is a you are from the literature background, they also asked in paper 1. Nobel Prize for Literature for 2024. So these are very important. For net exam also you can get the questions like awards. So Nobel Prize is very important. So the answer for 36 is C, Hong Kong. Hong Kong is the correct answer. Okay, that's it. Where are hills of Bijagar situated? The hills of Bijagar is situated in western Satpura. The hills of Bijagar is situated in western Satpura. Angel, it's actually MPPSC assistant professor exam, Madhya Pradesh PSC assistant professor exam. Okay, it's 38 with the regarding the 38, I have a different thing, because I didn't have the English question regarding with that. Okay. According to the census 2011, which district of Madhya Pradesh has the highest rural population? Okay, highest rural population. So the answer, like Dindori and Rava, we have a doubt. Like we will go with the Rava because I think with the percentage, but Rava is more. So Rava and Dindori, I think you can challenge the question in the answer key challenge because Dindori is also given as the correct one. Like Rava is also given as correct because of the percentage population. If you take Dindori is correct with the number, if you take the Rava is correct. So if they are not asked with the percentage, if they meant only with the number, it is Rava. The Shulpani region is significant part of which traditional pilgrimage route. It is actually Narmada Parikrama. Okay, Narmada Parikrama is the answer. 39C. Which among the following is used for a secure website? Okay, it's a question paper from a student. Okay, sorry. The answer is 40D HTTPS. Okay, the answer is 40 HTTPS, secure website. That means hypertext transfer protocol. Okay, hypertext transfer protocol. Abul Fasal wrote in Ain Akbari about which princely state that it was so prosperous that the people pay their taxes in gold, coins, and elephants. It is actually Bundelkhand. Okay. Oh, sorry, it's Gondwana. It's Gondwana. Sorry, it's Gondwana. That's the correct answer. Gondwana is the correct answer. 41C will be the correct answer. 42, India's first woman law secretary. India's first woman law secretary, it's Anju Rathi Rana. 42A, Anju Rathi Rana is the correct answer. It is first woman law secretary. From where is coal supplied to Satpura Thermal Power Station? The answer is Patakheda coal field. Patakheda coal field is the answer. Who was awarded Veer Shankar Shah and Jagannath Shah Samman in the year 2023? It is Sri Budpal Singh Thakur. Sri Budpal Singh Thakur is the answer. Soybean cultivation in Madhya Pradesh was started in which district? Okay, so it's very important. Like I think we have discussed this in the like classes. Devas is the correct answer. 45B. Okay, 45B. Now coming to the next one. 46. When was Madhya Pradesh scheduled to try commission constituted? Okay, when it was financial year 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, and 99, 2000. The answer is B, 95, 96 will be the correct answer. When was the Chief Minister Women Empowerment Scheme started in Madhya Pradesh? In the year 2013, 17, 19, and 2023. So the answer, like when was the Chief Minister Women Empowerment Scheme? So the answer is 47A, that is in 2013. And in which of the following districts of Madhya Pradesh, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through? Like discussed many of times in classes, though. Many of the times in the revision also, I have told the students to study this. So the answer is Indore. Vidisha, Ujjain, and Bhopal, it passes through. Indore doesn't passes through. Okay, so the 49 question, according to the Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2023-24, in which goal Madhya Pradesh got highest score? Quality education, responsibility, consumption and production, industry, innovation and infrastructure, gender equality. The answer is responsibly consumption and production. They got the highest score, Madhya Pradesh. That's the answer. Which states are involved in Bansagar irrigation project? So it's actually like where is Bansagar irrigation project that you have? It's regarding with the Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh will be the answer. 50B that you can go with Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh will be the answer. So Bansagar irrigation project. So that is, guys. So these are the answers for the MPPSC exam for paper 1, like assistant professor exam for paper 1. So if you have any queries like regarding the answer keys, if the official answer keys are out, just go with the answer key challenge or itself like check your marks and prepare for the next tier of exam. Okay. So thank you guys. That was today's YouTube live. It was the MPPSC exam. So the net exam date is also announced for the literature guys. It is on 27th and also it is starting from 22, I think. So please prepare. We will be having paper 1 marathon sessions here in YouTube. Public lives will be there. We will have continuous like sessions of paper one or marathon live sessions will be there. So please join us. We'll announce the date and all. Please wait and please learn with us too. So in the next week we'll see the another paper one session like for net. Don't